So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be solving a major issue that most PC users face on missing Bluetooth. For example, coming here to my this X section of my PC, I can't find my Bluetooth here. And even going ahead to searching it on my settings. So let me open my settings app to check for my Bluetooth. I get to Bluetooth and devices. As you can see, I am not looking. I don't find any Bluetooth. Even if I search for Bluetooth manually, like here, and you can see, yeah, it's showing right now when I decide to go on add device or try to connect. So picking a Bluetooth, it's showing this issue couldn't connect. So if this is your major issue, I'll be solving this issue for you right here, right now. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So the first step to do is to open your service on your PC. So open your service on your PC and click on here. Now come to this section. You can see these three areas here where we have Bluetooth audio gateway service. Make sure it is running. Bluetooth support service. Make sure it is running, and Bluetooth support service. Like just click on enter and make sure the startup type is manual. So if it's unstopped, set it to manual, and also make sure it is running. So it shows it's running and shows the stop. But if it's not showing that, just click on start and start all three. So that is one step. The next thing to do is to go over to your device manager. The Bluetooth might also have issues if it's an hardware issue. So if it's an hardware issue, you have to take this to a technician who's going to fix this for you. So for example, if it's a software issue like this one, I'm going to go ahead to my device manager and try to open my device manager. So as you can see right here, there is this exclamation mark here on my Bluetooth wireless Intel driver. So the driver there is having an issue and stuff. So if you can't find this, go ahead to click on action or click on any part of your PC, click on action and scan for hardware changes. So this one is actually going to work. Or if it doesn't, click on view and click on show hidden devices and to bring out your Bluetooth. But if that still doesn't work, I'll be telling you what to do up next. So let's just go ahead to fix mine here. I'm double tapping here on this. Go ahead here to click on driver. So as you can see this here, our device is actually disabled. So I'm going to click here to enable my device. Click here to enable this device and click on OK. So let's see if I'm going to click on no for now because I don't want to start. So you can see my Bluetooth now is back to my system and you can go ahead to search for Bluetooth and you can connect. So if this doesn't work for you or if that driver is actually misbehaving, go back and click here on driver and click here on update driver, then browse my computer for driver. Let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. Tap on that and tap on this and you're going to see anyone. So you can see two or different and click on next and it's going to help you install that. So that is it and stuff. So if you still can't find the Bluetooth here, like it's missing from this section from device manager, that is not an issue. Just go ahead to open your Chrome and just search for Bluetooth driver HP. So I'm going to put the brand of your PC. For example, I'm using HP PC, Bluetooth driver HP download, and just search for it. Then you're going to find the first website. When you find the first website, you just have to verify your PC and everything like that. And they're going to give you the driver to download. Once you download the driver, go ahead to double tap on it, install, and you get your Bluetooth working perfectly. So if this video actually helped you, go ahead to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow for more. Thank you very much.